So what I'm looking at today here is postcards and paid advertising search results in Google. And the purpose of this video is just to go over some of the things that I've observed over the years in relation to these two topics, the benefits they can bring to your dental practice, and ensuring a strategic coordination in your digital advertising and your print advertising. So what I'm looking at here on the screen is just a bunch of samples of various postcards that dental practices sent out. And there's a few things that I'd like to say here. So in advertising, in promotion, anytime you're telling anyone or trying to attract attention to your business, you've got to connect with those individuals, those people you're trying to talk to. And a visual representation or pictures and colors and all of that help contribute to that talking per se. But I also want to emphasize that this can be taken to extremes and unnecessary levels in terms of what you're trying to achieve. In other words, it can be really easy to get caught up in visual aspects of everything and forget about what you're actually trying to do with the promotion. So we're going to jump over here and look at some ads. So these are paid advertisements here in Google. These are designated with an AD, and you can see there's a paid ad down here. Everything below here is considered an organic result in Google. And these map results are also considered organic, meaning they naturally occur in the Google algorithm. Whereas your paid advertisement, you're more likely to be positioned in specific locations, such as the top and bottom of the pages, and in the map results when there is a payment being made for advertising. I like to refer to this as a holistic approach to marketing for dental practices. Everything from the front desk of the office to the Google advertisement, to the Facebook advertisement, to any other social advertising or online advertising, to any print advertising. The ideal situation is all of those connect. And you could look at it from the standpoint of if somebody receives a postcard from you, and then, of course, naturally in today's day and age, that online representation factor comes in because somebody gets the card and then they go immediately online and they start reading about you, looking you up. Trying to connect everything is legitimate. I've never heard of this practice before. What are they doing? Who's the doctor? What are their hours? What school did they go to? Whatever. All the questions that a consumer, a dental patient might be curious about. So the point of this video again is to connect everything. So if you're doing postcard advertising, if you're doing online advertising, and which you should be doing a combination, or some practices can get away with strictly focusing on online advertising with the day and age we live in. That's primarily a big thing right now, bigger than it's ever been, and every year it keeps getting more and more and more demand because more people, of course, are relying on their digital devices and using them for research, finding services. Not to mention the COVID-19 factor that came in where, people touching things and postcards and bringing them in and doing things with them was another concern people had. So we've seen a huge surge in online activity in terms of dental advertising promotion. So make sure all your advertising promotion connects and, consider everything in a holistic approach. Look at everything that's going on from the front desk to the outside consumer all the way through, and make sure your message is right for your market and what you're trying to achieve with your practice and the primary services you're trying to offer. Jason Wadrow here with Golden Dental Marketing. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.